How do you connect your DJI Mic Mini Transmitter to your iPhone using Bluetooth? What limitations are there when you do this? And what apps are supported for video recording? First thing you want to do is power on your DJI Mic Transmitter by holding in the power button for a couple of seconds. And if you see this green light, that means that it's trying to pair wirelessly with a receiver. You want to put this into Bluetooth pairing mode. To do that, you're going to press the pairing button for 2 seconds. And now this light should be blinking green and blue. Next, you want to go into your iPhone, open up your Bluetooth settings, and you should see the DJI Mic Mini Transmitter appear. Tap on this to connect, and you can see now the DJI Mic Mini Transmitter is connected to the phone via Bluetooth. So what limitations are there when you connect your DJI Mic Mini Transmitter to your phone using Bluetooth? The first limitation is that when you do this, the noise cancelling that's built into the DJI Mic Mini system is always enabled, and it's always enabled in that stronger noise cancelling mode. So that's good in some ways, because if you're using this in a noisy place, then you're going to get noise cancelling, but it's also not so great because you can't turn it off if you're using it in a quiet studio situation like this. The strong noise cancelling mode also has the potential to make your voice sound a little bit weird, just because it's a more aggressive noise cancelling algorithm. The second main limitation when it comes to features when you're connecting via Bluetooth is that the auto limiter is always enabled and you can't turn it off. If you don't know what this is, it's a feature of the DJI Mic Mini system that automatically limits the volume that's going to be transmitted, and this is good if you're working in a situation where you're not really in control of the environment. So you could be having really loud things like a loud car going by or something like that. The limiter is going to help prevent the audio signal overloading and clipping and sounding terrible. It's just one thing to bear in mind, that you can't turn it off when you're connected via Bluetooth. So what apps can you use to record your videos if you're connected via Bluetooth? DJI have stated that only third-party video recording apps are supported. I tested it using the built-in iPhone camera app, and that didn't work. And I also tried the Final Cut camera app, and the Bluetooth mic doesn't even show up in the audio sources, so that doesn't work. I'll put a list on screen now of the apps that DJI say are supported when you're connected via Bluetooth. The Blackmagic camera app is not on the list from DJI, but I did test it for you and it did work. I managed to successfully record the audio from the microphone, but there's a small quirk, and that's if you try and play back the recorded video in the Blackmagic camera app, you don't get any sound, so you have to disconnect the Bluetooth from the transmitter, playback, and then you do get the audio. I'm not sure if that's why the Blackmagic camera app is not on the compatibility list from DJI, or whether or not that list just needs to get updated. The ProMovie app is also not on the DJI list, but I did manage to get the microphone working with that app as well. So just because your app is not on this list, it doesn't necessarily mean it won't work. It's just that I can't guarantee that every single camera app will work, because I can't test them all. This is what the DJI Mic Mini sounds like connected to an iPhone via Bluetooth, and I'm recording this with the Blackmagic camera app. Check out this video next for loads more details on all of the settings with the DJI Mic Mini system. Make sure you subscribe for more DJI Mic Mini tutorials. I'm Jason Roberts, and I'll see you in the next one.